Okay, welcome back to Electronica 2024. I'm joined this afternoon by Mark Shanley from Astute. Afternoon, Mark.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, you enjoyed yourself so far?
Yeah, it's an amazing show.
Yeah.
It's good to see some new and old people, some old faces.
Yeah. There's been a lot of people coming through the doors today. I bet your stand's been busy, isn't it?
Yeah, it's been incredibly busy. And what's been quite nice is this year we've got 3 different zones looking at our technology, looking at some of the innovations. We're doing product launches.
Yeah.
We've also got the zone where we're looking at our global sourcing
Right.
and some of the new technology we've developed. But
Yeah.
I think one of the other nice things is we've got a bar and we've got some
Always
Sims. So amazing to see some of the competitive nature coming out of people on the Sims.
Yeah. You've got 3 zones, you say. Do you want to go into a bit more detail about what's on each zone?
Yeah, I mean, as a business, we've been evolving over the years, as you know. So we've got very much a franchise model with demand creation. So we've got a technology zone where we're supporting our 120 plus franchise partners, but we're launching some new product.
Great.
Sort of bringing that innovation into today's market, supporting them, giving them that platform so they can actually have a showcase. Then we've got the global sourcing, which is really important. Although we've got a stable market, the lead times haven't extended.
Yeah.
There's some signs in Asia and certainly in North America that some of those are extending. So what we're trying to do is we've developed software that gives a bit more predictive messaging, lead time trends, pricing trends, looking at sole source and where the actual pinch points in a BOM are.
Yeah.
And then we have our 3PL division, which is the total supply chain.
Right, okay.
Where we're looking to bring even more value proposition to our customers, help them with vendor reductions and smart logistics.
Excellent. Well, tell me about the different ways that you bring extra value to your customers.
I mean, we've just been talking about, I've been in the industry 30 years, and I think in that time we've all seen there's a very, very large demographic gap. Engineers, procurement, executive, experience, knowledge in the industry's left. And the retention of staff is very difficult. So what we're trying to do is use all our experience and knowledge. We've got 24 technical engineers that can support. We've got global supply chain experts of 30 years plus. And then try to find a way to add value. That we've always tried to do that. Small nucleus of customers and try to go a mile deep. We really want to be a partner in this. It's always been the case. We don't sell on price. We sell on quality and finding a way of solving the challenges.
Well, that was one of the questions I was going to say to you. What if I was a customer, why would I come to Astute and not another distributor?
Yeah, it's interesting because there's some blurred lines. We have the franchise division, we have the independent broker division, and we have the total supply chain. And we support legacy programs. So we've got the test laboratories where we do the anti-counterfeit mitigation. We've got obsolescence management systems. We've got long-term storage. So I guess the differentiator for us is that we can help you at the front end of the design throughout your fulfillment and support. And it doesn't necessarily need to be hundreds of thousands. We're very much used to that split in the high rail, which is low volume.
Always very important, isn't it?
Oh, absolutely. And I think that the partnering is the key thing for us. We'll invest our time and our people to help solve those challenges that everyone has.
Yeah, exactly. Well, it sounds like you're heading on the right direction anyway at the moment.
Yeah, it's I think we're all it's tough. The market's tough. The market's flat. But we're trying to bring new technologies for tomorrow's challenges. And that's quite nice. I mean, it is actually nice when you see some of the technology. We've just had a technology launch for a 70-watt USB-C charger through Pulsive. It's UK PLC, trying to push that product out to the market and give them the platform to say, look, we're here. We've got something that's neat and something that's actually innovative.
Excellent. Well, those are all very important things these days, and with the rise of AI now happening all over the place, that must be something that's quite big with your company now.
Oh, absolutely. And I think everyone's a little bit scared at the moment, a little trepidation about how we can use AI, but we're going to have to. I think we all know that. Some of the chips that Exmos, one of our franchises, were talking about today, it scares the life out of me. But that's where we're going. Absolutely. And you've got to embrace it. You've got to find a way of using AI and bringing that, because there's efficiencies it can bring. And it'd be some, we don't want to replace people, that personal side.
No.
But let's work smarter.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Well, that's a great way to end it.
Yeah.
Work smart.
Work smart. Don't work hard. Work smart.
Exactly.
And we've got a bar, so let's come over and have a beer.
That's very smart.
Right.
All right, Mark. Thanks ever so much for
No
coming
problem.
along, and good luck for the rest of the show.
All right. Thanks a lot.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Bye.